My task is to find the area of this compound shape comprised of this right angle triangle and this equilateral triangle. So in order to do that, first thing I'm going to do is work out what this whole side is. I can see that I've got enough information here with this 10 and 8 to give me the remaining length here, and so the whole side there. This must also be 4, but I need to find out how much that whole thing is. So I'm going to take 10 squared, and I'm going to take away 8 squared, and I'm going to take the square root of that. That gives me RP. So therefore, I've got 100, take away 64, and I'm taking the square root of that, which is the square root of 36, which is 6. So this whole length here is 6. So I'm just going to add that length there, 2 centimeters. So what I've got, if I'm going to do base times height divided by 2 for my area, equals 8 times by 6 divided by 2, which is 48, divided by 2, which is 24 centimeters squared. And then I just need to work out my area of the triangle. And for the triangle, the key thing is to find that height there. So that height, so that I've sorted out this right angle triangle below, and now I'm going to sort out the equilateral triangle here. So I've got 4 squared, take away, that distance there is 2, isn't it? So take away 2 squared equals 16, take away 4, which is 12. So my height, therefore, height is equal to square root of 12. Now, I think this is where people tend to make a mistake, because what we want is half base times height. Okay, so it's not 4 times by my height, it's 2 times by my height. That's half base times height. Or if my base, or I could do base times height divided by 2. Either way round. So if I take base times height divided by 2, I've got 4 times by root 12 divided by 2, which is the same as 2 lots of root 12. So to finish this question off, all I need to do is take 24 centimeters and add 2 root 12, and that gives me my answer. At this point, do not round early, only at this point introduce your calculator. 24 plus brackets 2 times root 12 equals, oh, gone wrong there. Let's do 2 times root 12. And I'm going to add 24, and that gives me 30.9, and if it's to 3 significant figures, it's 30.9, and careful with your units, centimeters squared.